Guys on TikTok, Rosealee, the girl them call Miss Pink or Mrs. Piggy. I don't know what them call her. Mrs. Piggy, Rosealee, what Rosealee or Miss Piggy or what summer me here says she run gone up a passport house. Rosealee want go foreign. In that time Rosealee want go or want do Rosealee so Rosealee want go foreign. In that time Rosealee want go foreign. Rosealee never have a passport book. She run go make take up passport. Rosealee, congratulate you say you take out your passport book, Rosealee. Rosealee, congratulate you say you take out your passport book, Rosealee want go foreign. Yeah. Rosealee want go foreign. But remember Rosealee remember say a 2-seater got take up on the plane. Hey, Rosealee a 2-plane got take up on the plane. 2 seat blood teeth, Rosealee a 2-seater got take up on the plane. Like a double seat take up plane, Rosealee. Double seat, Rosealee I go play. Rosealee go play a double seat on the blood clot plane. Rosealee, tell me where you go. You're going to there, go do your body, Rosealee. Guys, Rosealee girlfriend go do her body. Now fuck with Rosealee, my love. I did Rosealee go do her body. Remember say Rosealee big, you know. Oh no, remember say Rosealee big. A 600-pound girl weird and she gonna lose the weight, my love. She gonna put on body and breast. When I say body and breast, Rosealee gonna do up. I did her. Around she won't go to go to her passport book. Cause she go the her but to her titty and her body. Yes, my love. Rosealee go the her go to her body. So congratulate Rosealee go to go to her passport book because she going to fly out very soon because Rosealee have her money sit on her money and her match. She put the money on. But me here say I mean, she have her money and save her money, people, to buy one house. Yes, come here. I mean, she have the money. She will buy the house. I know Rosealee can't buy the house. Rosealee think about if buy a house or a car, if you give them plan. We don't know, but come here, people. Come here, my love. A triple have the money saved to buy the house for the girl. All of me not see no house. Me here say she want room. But when somebody tell her say the room have 35,000, she said she can't afford 35,000 to the room. Me love, me room. Lord Jesus Christ. But the Rosealee come look on Panama, me love. Rosealee see out of Panama City there. Rosealee look. No blood clot, Rosealee take out her passport, boo. Rosealee take out her passport, boo. Oh, Rosealee take out her passport, boo. Because Rosealee is going to DR, go take her body, go fix her body. No. Rosealee is coming to DR, go fix her body. No, you go fix her body. No.